You searched how to buy shares of Oatly Group AB. Oatly is a Swedish company producing oat-based milks and plant-based food products, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker OTLY. This video is educational only and does not constitute financial advice. To buy shares, you must use a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place orders. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker OTLY to locate the listing quickly. Make sure you select the matching Oatly Group AB result so you have the correct stock. On the asset page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is Oatly Group AB. Verify the exchange and ticker displayed show NASDAQ and OTLY to ensure accuracy. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirmation. Your open position will appear in your portfolio once it is filled and you can monitor it there. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to follow the same steps shown.